Welcome back, dear students. It's time for a little grammar practice. Prepositions. 50 prepositions will be discussed and solved in today's session. चलो हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी इस वर्कशीट को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. And also give marks. See how much you are getting. He soon became accustomed dash local food. Accustomed के बाद कौन सा वाला preposition होगा? Accustomed to is the right answer. I am very angry dash his misconduct. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है उसके misconduct के ऊपर. I am very angry at his misconduct. Dear students, remember that you are always angry at something, but you are always angry with somebody. So angry with somebody at something. He is blind to the shortcomings of his only son. The new chapter begins at page 50. Don't write in, but the right preposition is begins at. Love is generally compared to madness. When you compare one thing with another, you always write compared to. और जब एक इंसान के साथ दूसरे इंसान का कंपैरिजन होता है, प्रीपोजिशन क्या होता है? With. In this sentence, just read it. People compare Browning with Chaucer. He knows how to deal with his customers. You are not eligible for the post. Never be false to your friends. Always be truthful. Our new teacher is gifted dash eloquence. Gifted with eloquence. वो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वो बात कर सकती है. Eloquence. Gifted with. He is greedy of money हो सकता है या for money. So he is greedy for money. I'll write for. Your brother is junior to me. Now, dear students, most of you will write than. Junior than, senior than. This is wrong. Always junior to or senior to. He is notorious for gambling. It is difficult to part with my books. You always part with things, but you always part from people. This custom is peculiar to India. We all profited by his advice. उन्होंने advice दिया और हमने वो advice हमने सुना और हमने बहुत profit किया. हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. The two brothers were reconciled with each other. You are reconciled to your lot, but you are reconciled with each other. So reconciled to your lot. If you get this sentence, write two. But the two brothers were reconciled with each other. जो मनमुटाव था वो मिट गया. The patient was soon relieved of or from anyone pain. This side is parallel to that. Cows are sacred to Hindus. His brother is slow at arithmetic. Subject में slow होना is slow at arithmetic. I am not liable for the debts incurred by my brother. मुझे responsible मत ठहराओ. I am open to correction. This plant is very sensitive to touch. Akbar succeeded to the throne of his brother. He has no sympathy for the poor. He is worthy of a medal. Students, these are common prepositions. Prepare them well for your exam. You looked tired out, exhausted. Mahatma Gandhi always sought after truth. He felt sure of success. He is destined for the bar. I have no confidence in this man. He is endowed with a strong will. Change places dash each other. Change places with each other. He is very anxious about his success in the examination. Avail yourself of this opportunity. This ship is bound for Australia. He complains of pain in the head. He is devoid of all sense of decency. वो एकदम ही decent नहीं है, वो बहुत wild and rude है, indecent है. His daughter is engaged to my son, not with, it's to. Always guard your cash box against thieves. I never saw a place so infested with locusts. Another very common question. Infested with. Everything is known dash me. Everything is known to me. मुझे सब पता है. All the people mourn for their dead hero. He objects to our going to the theater. He doesn't like it. He's polite in his behavior to all. We all rejoiced at his success. दूसरे के सक्सेस में हम लोग rejoice at करते हैं और अपने सक्सेस में we rejoice in. He rejoiced in his own success. Mohan is slow of speech. And Aurangzeb was suspicious of his sons. Dear students, calculate how much you are getting. And soon we will practice some more prepositions. Till then, check the pinned comment section because we have many such grammar worksheets specially for you. Take care. Bye.